third part of our video series where we show the mechanical assembly of the P802Qs 3D printer by Zonestar. If you're not following the steps from the beginning, in the description you can find the links to our previous videos. Step 7. Assemble the Y-axis rods and bed support. For this step we will use the bed support and two sliding rods. Place the sliding rods inside the linear bearing of the bed support. Now, fix the rods to the assembly using 4 4x6mm screws. Step 8. Assemble the Y-axis timing belt and heated bed. For this step we will use the heated bed and one timing belt. Fasten one side of the belt to the bed support using one plastic strap. Pass the belt through the pulley of the motor and then under the bed support. Turn it around the front pulley and fix the other end to the bed support. Cut the excess with the pliers and make sure the belt is properly tense. Now place the springs on the corners of the heated bed. Put the bed on the support and fix it with the thumb nuts. Step 9. Assemble the Z-axis end stop. For this step we will need the Z-axis limit switch and the metal base. Fix the limit switch to the metal base with two 3x6mm screws. Now fix the base to the main assembly with two 3x6mm screws. Step 10. Assemble the left slider module. For this step we will use the left slider module, one rod, one Acme screw, the rod fixed base and one motor with pulley. Fix the motor to the slider using three 3x8mm screws. Place the cable connector to the bottom of the assembly. Now fix the rod base to the top metal part using two self-tapping screws. Carefully place the rod on the slider and fix it to the top using one 4x6mm screw. Now insert the Acme screw into the bearing and drive it into the brass nut. Finally, attach it to the coupler and tighten the set screws. Step 11. Assemble the right slider module. We will use the right slider module, one rod, one Acme screw and the rod base. Fix the rod base to the top metal part using two self-tapping screws. Carefully place the rod on the slider and fix it to the top using one 4x6mm screw. Now insert the Acme screw into the bearing and drive it into the brass nut. Finally attach it to the coupler and tighten the set screws. Step 12. Assemble the hot end card. We will use the hot end assembly and two sliding rods. Drive the rods through the right slider and carefully place the hot end assembly inside the rods. Align the left slider and push the rods in. The hot end card must slide easily. Step 13. Assemble the X-axis timing belt. Fix one end of the belt to the cart using one zip tie. Pass the belt around the motor pulley and drive it to the right. Now pass it around the slider pulley. Finally, fix it to the other side of the cart using one zip tie. Cut the excess with the pliers and make sure the belt is properly tense. Step 14. Assemble the extruder. Fix the extruder to the top using two M3 by 6mm screws. We will stop here the third part. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The time index for each step can be found on the description. Thanks for watching.